Before we start our show, for those of you visiting the Cook Islands, hands up if you've been to the Cook Islands before. Welcome back. Hands up if this is your first time visit. Welcome to Rarotonga. Words of greetings, when we say good morning, good evening, or hello, we say the words kia orana. Kia orana means may you live on. When somebody say kia orana to you, he or she is invoking upon you the gift of long life. So when somebody say kia orana to you, you say kia orana back with the same enthusiasm. So how about we start our showtime by saying kia orana? Kia orana. One more big one, kia orana. Kia orana. Awesome. This morning, you're going to be entertained by a cultural dance troupe that goes by the name of the Kōrero Māori dance team. Kōrero Māori simply means our Cook Islands Māori heritage. We encourage our children to get into the culture, get to know their heritage, learn their history, memorize their genealogy, because all those things together with their education, we hope to instill in their hearts the feeling of knowing who they are, where they come from, and hopefully help them make the right choices for their future. That's what this dance team is all about. So to begin, we bring our dancers on stage with a drum dance called Bola! Kōrero Māori dance troupe. Everybody go to the